Welcome to the Dillon. I'm Kevin McBride and my co-agent Jessica Sheevey. We're going to be taking you up in the building today and showing you the views from the north up Peachtree, to the east over Peachtree Hills, to the south to Midtown and downtown, and the sunset view to the west. We're standing inside the V1 terrace now, where you'll see great views up Peachtree and the sunset view to the west, as well as the tree line view to the east. Just inside the terrace of the V2 floor plan, you'll have great views over the tree line view of Peachtree Hills, north up Peachtree, and also you get the glimpse of the Buckhead skyline from the 6th floor. We're standing just inside the terrace of the V3 on the 6th floor, with great views of downtown and Midtown, also views to the east over the tree line of Peachtree Hills. We'll be showing you views here from the V4 and V5 unit locations in the building. You'll see views from the east to the south and to the west for the sunset view. Make an appointment to come visit us soon at our sales gallery located at 2395 Peachtree Road Northeast in the heart of Buckhead.